to present my work in this mega fest IRTEC. And also since morning, I'm hearing the excellent talk from different eminent speakers. So without wasting my time, I will share my PPT and I will discuss about a case study and overview, which is actually a need of an hour in this era. So just my today's session is about a case study and overview of IoT and AI-based farming to enhance. The need of this topic is basically I'm into a field, so I had also presented my IIP PDF seminar related to the fisheries and the production of the fish. So we can help it out like with the artificial intelligence, how we can help the fishermen to increase their catch. So this is my initiative to the fishermen so that they can apply this technology if it is applicable into their domain to increase the fish catch. What is the need of aquaculture enhancing with IoT and artificial intelligence to increase the fish production, as well as to also detect the water quality management. And the most important thing is disease outbreaks. So aquaculture is rapidly growing industry. And you know, by 2030, 200 million tons of fish can be expected to be consumed worldwide. Improvement in the fish farming technology due to the improvement of the fish farming technology. So difficulty in optimizing fish amounts and schedules leading to waste and increased operational cost, manual water quality monitoring, which is prone to human error, limited ability to predict and prevent disease outbreaks, which lead to occasional losses in the stock. This is the problem statement of my ongoing survey. The main objective of the proposed study is to reduce the human efforts and also to obtain the efficiency by providing an automated and reliable system for better management of fish farming and fish farmers community near the coast. Basically an exciting opportunity to improve, basically AI is an exciting opportunity to improve the sustainability and the production in fish farming. And hence I have reviewed few papers related to the recent technology, which is actually introduced by the Indian scientist. There are certain solution designs which I have come across with the papers. The first module is related to the automatic and real-time measurements of fish pond water quality data by using various sensors, where the temperature, pH, dissolved oxygen, carbon dioxide, turbidity, water level, electrical conductivity, TDS, and the presence of ammonia can be detected very easily without having a human efforts. The next solution design which I have come across with my survey is real-time visualization of water quality data through 2D charts. So a web and mobile applications are enabling the fish farmers to visualize in real-time water quality data of their fish pond from their smartphones, and they can also receive various alerts about the environment and the fish health disease. Next module is early detection of issues and alerting. Basically, abnormal water quality conditions and fish diseases can be detected on time, and alerts are also sent automatically to the farmers in their mobile phone for immediate response. Next solution design which I come across is remote control of the pumps, which is actually the fish farmers can have a control of on and off the water pumps, water heater, oxygen pump, and also feeder from their smartphones in order to have a complete mobility of the fish or the animal. And the last solution design is collaborative digital platform for the fish farmers, capacity building supports from experts, market opportunities, chats, and collaborations. So the primary concern is to make well aware in the field, to make well aware to the farmers about the AI technology and its benefits. Basically, this will help fish farmers in reducing manual labor, making better decisions, sharing and getting expertise, timely information on the current market price, helping fish farmers to detect disease and receive remediation suggestions, and collecting fish farms data and also making them available to professionals and National Ministry of Agriculture Fisheries for better data analysis and decision making. While reviewing few papers, I have come across to the different devices which is recently used in different parts of the world. So the first device which is used in feed optimization is feed dispenser. An Indonesian aquaculture intelligence company known as eFishery, they have recently developed an AI feed dispenser, and they have released the right amount. It released the right amount of feed at the right time. That's why it is used worldwide. It is also used to it also uses various sensors to detect the appetite of the animal. So this use the vibration and acoustic signals. Basically, acoustic signals is nothing but it is a coded sound signal which is actually transmitted to the device, which is released and transmitted to the device to better understand the water and the air waves. Next is the smart fish feeders, which is used in Singapore and Japan. There is a tech company known as Umitron Cell. They produce the smart fish feeder that can be controlled by a remote. Aqua Norway and Observe UK. This is an AI software developed by Aqua Global, Aquaculture and Observe Technology. This tool helps fish farmers optimizing the feeding by using AI to count visible pellets and analyze the fish behavior. Basically, this is concerned by the growth modeling and harvest optimization. Another is disease and water quality management. Here also we can use the AI-based system. The greatest threat to the aquaculture is outbreak of disease. Most of the fishes are basically affected by helminths. So in order to test the infestation of helminths and lees, AI programs are used in order to detect the disease outbreaks. This is one of the application, basically, which is used for the fish behavior analysis also. Farm Mojo, this is an application which is provided by Indian aquaculture technology startup Aqua Connect. This is a mobile app from where the big data and artificial intelligence give detail or information to the farmers, recommendations on how to operate their ponds, how to, based on the ongoing monitoring of the water quality and feed intake. This is another app, Report Fish Disease app, which is developed by ICAR, National Bureau of Fish Genetic Resources. And this is enabling farmers to report disease incidents in finfish, shrimps, and molluscans. Functionally, farmers can report the disease to the field level officers also and fish disease expert also, and promptly they can get a solution to detect their pond as well as to eradicate the fish disease. How it works actually, the farmers report disease incidents via app, and the field officers and experts provide them advice, and according to their advice they execute and they resolve the disease problems. Next is aqua cloud, which is a sea lease infestations, actually leading to a various skin and gill damage in fish. So Norwegian Centers of Expertise, they have launched aqua cloud, which is based on cloud-based program, which is helping farmers in preventing development of sea leaves in cages. AI drones, this is very famous. These drones are equipped with sensors and they can collect and analyze the water quality data. The first commercial remotely operated underwater drone in India is IROV Tuna. These drones have ability to navigate to depth of 50 meter and capture real-time HD video images for underwater analysis. Basically, these are my survey in order to understand the AI technology introduced into the fishery sciences. This is one of the robotic fish, UK-based BMT group, that is British Maritime Technology, develop a shoal, a robotic fish that helps to detect the pollution around the farm site. These robots are independently swimming and collecting the data about the water qualities. Stress detector. Basically, this is a predictive maintenance of equipment. In modern fish farming operations, many automated systems like water pumps, filters, and aerators are crucial for maintaining the optimal conditions. So AI-driven predictive maintenance systems are analyzing the performance of these devices, and they predict when they might fail or require maintenance. So one is the stress detector through the sensor data analysis. Fish can exhibit actually the certain behaviors when they are stressed. It can be the reproductive behavior, or it can be, related to the feeding habits. So AI models have trained on fish behavior, and so they can detect the signature or the sign of stress early, helping to solve the problems before they escalate. So the reproductive rate could not be actually effective. So this is the best stress detector analysis which is used in AI technology. The next is breeding and reproduction management. So they are also assisting in monitoring breeding behavior and optimizing the reproduction in fish farms. Most probably, this is very much applicable in very small pond systems or aquarium. Fish screening, this is the biggest challenge actually, to find out the healthy fish seed for the further breeding purpose. So identification and selection of healthy fish seed is very important in fish farming. Most probably in Central Institute of Fishery Sciences Education in Warsaw. Basically, when I visited, they are working on this, and also they are working on the fish nutrition and the biochemical data, and the scientists are actually working day and night in order to have a healthy fish seed preservance, so that the conservation of the species can also take place. So there is one solution given by Japanese research institute Kindai University, which is using Microsoft Azure machine learning studio to identify the fish seed from the rearing cage. AI in open sea fisheries. This is actually a very AI addressing challenges in open sea, causing overfishing also and illegal activities also. As per our President Sir has intimated morning, that inspiring with ethics, spirituality, and moral values is the most important key for the researchers. So basically, we also need to think on this when we are introducing AI in the open sea fisheries. So AI combined with satellite technology monitors fishing vessels through image recognition and video analysis. There is an organization like Global Fishing Watch collaborate with Google Oceana Sky to use AI and satellite data globally. So basically, the biggest challenge is implementing the high cost. If you see the survey reports, whatever I have collected the data from the different scientist research papers, I have come to know that cost of implementation is 48%, which is followed by lack of technical knowledge, 33%, and data quality, 19%. And the concern about data privacy and security is also 10%. So this is the biggest challenge if we are adopting the AI technology in aquaculture. If you talk about the market prediction and supply chain, AI can assist the fish farmers by analyzing market trends also, consumer demand and pricing patterns also, to make the smarter decision regarding the timing of harvest and sales. Then demanding the forecasting, market forecasting. So these algorithms can forecast demand based on historical data and other economic factors. This also helps farmers deciding when to sell their stock to the maximum profit. Then supply chain optimization, AI can use to optimize supply chain, ensuring that fish are delivered to markets fresh on time, and this can involve optimizing transportation routes, predicting logistic delays, and managing inventory levels in real time. Future plans for AI adoption is still, that the data indicates that AI adoption is still in its early stage. Basically, in India also, in few of the coastal lines, AI technology is not aware by the fishermen. So the place where I am residing, the fishermen are not adapting the modern technology due to some ethics, what they are actually following. One of the disadvantage, what they say, is high input cost, unemployment. Basically, that nowadays fisheries is the important occupation, and the young fishermen are educating themselves and moving to different countries and cities. So many of the fishermen are of old age. So basically, this is leading to an unemployment also. So there the AI can help it out. Concerned about the data privacy and security. From this, I would like to conclude that AI's role in aquaculture is poised by revolutionizing the industry by making it more efficient, productive, and sustainability. By optimizing feeding, improving fish health management, and automating labor-intensive process, AI helps reduce cost and increase fish yield. So this technology continue to advance their application in aquaculture. So if we are bringing this, that will be more powerful, offering solutions to the fishery industries and most pressing challenges. AI-driven systems in aquaculture will not only increase fish production, but also help in ensuring the sustainability of aquatic ecosystem by reducing the environment impact of fish farming operations. So even we have introduced, even in India, many of these youth have prepared robots which are actually cleaning the marine the pollutions. So basically, this is also one of the important aspects of AI to clean the oceans. These are my references. Thank you very much for listening so patiently. And this is my presentation. So this is what I felt, that there is a need of actually preserving our fisheries or fish production through AI. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Eudoxia.